Welcome to BIM Tip Model with Purpose. Remember, your model isn't just for you. It's not a masterpiece of art. It's a tool for making important decisions. Every element you add will be used, checked, or installed by someone else. If it doesn't help them, why is it there? Let's activate the Downstream Mindset. Pause before you place anything in your model and ask, who uses this next, and what decision does it support? Let's break it down and see how everyone benefits when we model with purpose. The coordinator is up first. Does your element have the right geometry for clash detection? Is it located and constrained accurately? Is it modeled at the correct level of detail for this stage? If not, it might be misleading or useless for coordination. Let's make their job easier. Next, say hello to the quantity surveyor. Is your element modeled so takeoffs are accurate? Does it have the right type parameters, materials, and classification? Will it show up correctly in schedules? If quantities can't trust it, it's just noisy data. Meet the site engineer. Is the element actually constructible as modeled? Are levels, offsets, and references realistic? Would someone on site understand it without guessing? If it looks good but can't be built, that's a problem we need to fix. Now, let's think about the FM and Handover team. Does the element contain asset data? Are components separated logically for maintenance? Is it tagged and classified properly for COBie or asset export? If it won't survive handover, it's only short-term thinking. Let's aim for lasting value. Ready for action? Open your model, pick any element, and decide who the next downstream user is. Ask, does it actually help them? Is it modeled in the best way for their workflow? Then choose, keep it, modify it, remove it, or remodel it smarter. Make this a habit every time you add. Why does this change everything? You get leaner models, faster performance, cleaner coordination, more accurate quantities, less rework, and less stress. The real upgrade is your mindset. When you think downstream, you avoid over-modeling, embed useful data earlier, and reduce last-minute retrofits. Think of your model like a toolbox. Every element should earn its spot.
Okay, that's it for now. Go flex those brain cells, make something awesome, and don't forget to sprinkle a little chaos in the productive way, of course. Catch y'all in the next drop. Stay iconic.